Hi everyone, this tutorial is on how to use auto replies when you are out of office on Outlook Mobile, iPhone and Android. This tutorial is shown on a Samsung A73. However, the process is the same on an iPhone. Here is how you do that. Tap on your avatar or profile picture in the top left corner. In the lower left corner, tap Settings. It's a gear icon. Under Quick Settings, tap on Automatic Replies. Turn the toggle switch on. Tap to check mark Reply during a time period, and then you can select the date range. You can also use different replies for inside and outside your organization. However, we will not go into that. The next step is the message that will be sent automatically. Tap on the default message and make the changes if you want. When you are done, tap the checkmark icon in the top right corner. Again, tap the checkmark icon in the top right corner. And all set. I hope this helps. If you like this tutorial, hit like, give us your comments, and share this video. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? Our upskilling program covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity. After getting the training, you will be saving 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463. You can also schedule a complimentary consultation meeting with Turner Time from the home page of our website, and we look forward to being of service.